In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change password on Windows 10. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off click at Start button and then get into Settings. After that search for Accounts and then Sign In options. And that's where you can easily find password feature. You can just click on it, and now it says your account's password is set up to sign into Windows apps and services. All we have to do now in order to change that password is just to click at Change, and on the next step, first off we need to enter our current password and click at Next. After that we'll be able to come up with the new password, and then we need to confirm it. Also, we can add the password hint, just like that, and then click at Next. That's it. Now we can click at Finish, and after that you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.